Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up Smart View on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, first of all, if you're using Smart View to mirror the screen of your smartphone on your laptop instead of a TV, then on your laptop, first of all, click on the Start menu, then go to Settings. From here, click on System. Now, on this list, just click on Optional Features. Now from here, just click on Add a Feature. Now in the search bar, just search Wireless Display. Now just click on Wireless Display and select Wireless Display. After that, just click on Add. Now once you do that, it will download the wireless display feature on your laptop. Now if you did not find the wireless display option in Add a Feature, just scroll down, and if you find wireless display in this section, then you already have wireless display on your laptop and you don't have to install it. But if you cannot find it over here, just download it as we just did. Now once you add the wireless display feature on your laptop, after that just click on Project to this PC. Now instead of Always Off, just select Available Everywhere. Now once you do that, now on your smartphone, just go to Settings, then go to Connected Devices. From here, just tap on Smart View. Now for this feature to work, just make sure you connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi which is connected on your laptop or on your TV. Now as you can see, this is the signal of my laptop. Now just tap on it. From here, just select Start Now. Now on your laptop, just click on OK. Now, as you can see, this is how you can set up Smart View on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.